we use with statement. Okay, what is the with statement? If somehow we forget the close method, then file pointer will remain exist in a memory, taking space in a memory. So as I already said, it is a good practice to close the resource after reusing it. Okay, called with method that we discussed in our previous class. For example, if I create example number 70 and I will trying to read a content, for example, but we are going to read the content with function. Okay, file handling with statement, with statement. So what is the purpose of a with statement? First, observe the syntax. We have to write with keyword, then open function, then mode, then for example as, then file pointer is fp, then colon. Okay, then whatever the content we are going to write or read, we will write in a block. It's a indentation. Observe the position of a cursor. So cursor is down. So I will write M1 is a message. Yeah, MSG message equal to uh, and the content is fp dot read, and we will print message. We will remove the code. Now we don't need to close fp pointer, because when we come from we come out from with block. Okay, जब हम with block से बाहर आएंगे, automatically fp pointer will be closed. So what is the benefit of a with statement? With the help of a with statement, we don't need to write the close method explicitly. Just click on run 5 and say how are you. But what the difference? We are doing this task with the help of a with statement. This is another way to do the reading of a file without taking care कि fp close method पे use हो रहा है या नहीं. It will automatically close. Okay, this method will work automatically. I will write this close method will handle by with statement. With अलग कीवर्ड है, इसलिए सिंगल कोट में लिख रहा हूँ with. Okay, so this is a one point.